Hello class 7. Welcome to GK class. So today we will do chapter 3, that is abbreviations, and we will do later on chapter 2. Okay, that is spot the errors we will do later. Before that, some of the students have told me to show the picture of chapter 1. Okay, so kindly have a look. Chapter 3, abbreviations. Question 1. Here are some commonly used short forms, mainly from non-English languages. What do these stand for? Choose from the given options. More than one option might fit. Okay, so short forms are given or abbreviations are given and you have to write what these stand for. Okay, see A. EG. EG stands for example. For example. Okay. Next. PA. PA stands for per annum or per year. ठीक, per year. Okay. Next. C. MD. MD stands for Doctor of Medicine or Managing Director. Both are correct. So write here Doctor of Medicine or Managing Director. D. ETAL. Et al. It stands for and other people. Right here and other people. Other people. Next. NB. NB stands for note carefully. Okay. Right here note carefully. QED. QED stands for what was to be proved or shown. What was to be proved, or we can say shown. Which was to be proved. G. PhD. PhD stands for Doctor of Philosophy. Right here, Doctor of Philosophy. CV stands for resume or curriculum vitae. Right here, resume or course of life or curriculum vitae. It means resume or CV. SOS. SOS stands for if needed in medical terms. It is used in medical terms, in medicines, if needed. RSVP. RSVP stands for please reply or respond. Okay. Now, question number 2. Complete this abbreviation crossword. So, across hints are given. Across, this is across. Okay. This is across and this is down. Down. Okay. So, hints are given. You have to write. You have to solve this crossword. Okay. See the first one, down. Where is number 1? This is down. Data first in is used first. So we will write here FIFO. FIFO. FO. It means first in, first out. First in, first out. Okay. Number 2. Across. This is across. You can see number 2. The protector of Indian skies. The protector of Indian skies. I is given. So it is IAF. Indian Air Force. IAF. Okay. 3. Down. This is down. Organizes major international football tournaments. So F is given. So the answer is FIFA. FIFA. Federation International Football Association. Okay, FIFA. Now 4. Down. Where is 4? This is down. 4. Number 4. UN Organization for Children. The answer is UNICEF. 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 United Nations Children's Fund. Okay. Next. 5. See, you can see there are 2 hints for 5. First one is the time followed in India. Down. So, where is 5? Down. Time followed in India, it is IST. Indian Standard Time. IST. And the next one is, next hint is space related Indian organization. This is across. The answer is ISRO. ISRO. It means Indian Space Research Organization. Okay. Now the next one. 6. Software used for booting a PC. Booting a PC. IS is given. The answer is BIOS. BIOS. Basic input or output system. Okay. 7. A network over a very large area. WAN. 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 Wide area network. 8. Organization for the collective defense of member countries from Europe and North America. This is down. Where is 8? Here. The answer is NATO. NATO. North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Now, next one. 9. Major oil producing countries are its members. The answer is OPEC. OPEC. OPEC is Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. Okay. See the last one. UN Organization for Public Health. The answer is WHO. WHO. World Health Organization. Clear? So students, we have done question number 1 and 2. So chapter 3 is complete. Now have a look on the picture of chapter 3. So students, that's all for today. Have a nice day all of you. Bye bye.